Welcome to database integration using MongoDB and Mongoose. In this section, we'll shift gears from working with in-memory arrays or JavaScript objects to storing and managing data like a real-world developer using a database called MongoDB, one of the most popular NoSQL databases, and Mongoose, the friendly bridge between MongoDB and Express. Think about this. What happens to your data when your server restarts without database integration? The answer is that data are being lost. Wouldn't it be great to store your data in real database just like in production applications? This section gives you the tools to do just that safely and at scale. By the end of this section, you'll be ready to build full-stack applications with real data storage like top-level developers do every single day. Let's get into it.